What are you doing? Tell Daddy what you're doing.
What's she doing the other?
Charlie, shh. What are you doing, Scarlett? Tell Daddy what you're doing.
I'm going to beach on Monday.
Who did you go to the beach with?
Tiger.
Who else? Who else?
Reese.
Regan.
Regan.
Yeah, who else?
Camden.
Yeah. Anne-Marie.
Ree.
And what else did you do today? What are you doing now?
The kids.
What are you doing now?
The kids and the bags.
Oh, the clips and the bags. You had Tasman's clips and bags. But what are you doing now, darling? What are you playing?
Go just run.
Are you in Mummy's bed? Alright, you say bye-bye, Daddy, I miss you.
Miss you, Daddy.
Big kiss. Good girl.